Uwi na kami. Talo na, may nanalo na. Talo kami. May nanalo na.
We're here.
Ang pogi ni Bray.
Papa dito, ayaw na namin tumuloy. May macho.
Walang nagwala eh. So now we are heading to the Sinkhole.
Sinkhole, here we go.
Maning. So guys, meron po tayong stopover dito, gas station, if you want to get some rest or get some snacks. But I think it's not open, no? Yet. Hindi pa. So may gas station. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Sinkhole, Bimmah Sinkhole. And then, this is the park. Ang kabilin-bilin na nila sa entrance is, please dress modestly while roaming the park. So I don't know what they mean about it, but it's up to you guys. And there's also a play area here for your kids. So see you later in the water. So now guys, I'm going to show you the sinkhole.
Yung tipo. Ganyan. Ganyan. Baka naman ibaba mo pang gano'n. Ayan. Kita yung 3, 2, 1, and okay. Yung kanina tayo mo.
Ba't bang ginagawa ko? Ba't ba ako tumatalon? No jumping nga. Sige sa ulo mo. So guys, no jumping ah. Don't be a hard-headed one. So, they say no jumping, no jumping. Alright? So there is just a few steps going down. Prepare yourself after you swim. Because it will be a few more steps as well as you go up. So guys, just a few reminders like this one. Alright, so we have a new We're from Spain. We're from Philippines.
So we are called Philippines because of King Philip.
King Philip. That's why it's called Philippines. Because of Spain.
Rey Felipe.
We're also enjoying the sinkhole.
I think we're being colonized by the Spanish
for the longest time. Yeah, 300 years.
That's why
I'm not that good in history.
No,
we're good at
I am.
So enjoy guys and have a happy weekend. Ba't wala ang shirt? Kala ko wala ang shirt eh. So for the sake of social media and YouTube and vlogging, ang hirap umagat dito. Ayan o. Aray! Sakit sa paa o. Ayan o, barefoot. So pupunta kami doon kasi wala nang tali. Inalis na yung tali dating inakitan. So dito kami ngayon para tumalon. Kahit pagod na kami. But we are praying na hindi kami pulikatin. Anyway, may life vest naman. Lulunurin namin si Bray. For the sake of ano talaga, social media. Magbubuhis-buhay si Bray dito. Ayan. By the way guys, the size of this sinkhole is 20 meters deep from the surface and 50 meters wide. So let's go, jump! Jump! Tayo! So, right. Hindi umabot yung ano ko.
Yan.
So you've seen it from us. I don't know how deep the water is, but you wanna see it? I don't wanna.
Yan, Brad.
Let's go.
Paikot.
Kapit ka. Grabe, parang sirena to sa lumangoy. Kita kayo. Pag nakanadyan ka. Parang sirena. So we are done here and we are going home. See you on the next video. If you are not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button there and see you on the next video. Goodbye. See you guys.